Okay, so this is how you need to proceed. This next. Okay. Now click on check your knowledge. Again, you need to answer a few questions. So as you can see, there are 3 questions. Then take your answers and then next. This is a summary and complete module. And there is a twist. Twist is for previous modules, you were only having one achievement, one circle. Okay. Scope, report, design requirements. Second one, design Power BI reports. Third one, oh sorry. Okay. Okay. So chalo. So now just a second. Chalo. So now 3. And now you are getting total 4. Oh sorry. Now for the fourth one you are getting total 2. So before this you are only getting one each. So now you are getting 2. 2 means one for this particular module and second for this whole module. Means total 1 course you are getting. Okay. So what you need to do, see here also you can see you have earned 2 achievements. Okay. 2 achievements means one for this particular module and second one for this whole module. So now there's one thing that you need to do. You need to go here, click here, and you will be able to see 2 links. Okay. One is for perform analytics in Power BI and second for design effective reports in Power BI. So what you need to do, ignore the first one, click on the second. You just need to click on this copy URL. That's it. See, when you will hover on this now, automatically this will show the copy URL option. Just click, just a single click. Okay. Then go to your portal, this LMS, and then you will be able to see for previous 3 modules, it was not showing any option. But for the fourth one, the one option is there, upload achieve credential. Click here. And then it is asking for paste the URL for this learning path. Just paste. And see, it is also showing my name and number. This is nothing but my username that you have already filled. Okay. Now you need to click on simple submit. So what I have done, first of all, I have completed module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. Okay. And see, I'm trying to do this. And see, there is no completed tag here. I'm only having completed tag on these 2. So I'm now trying to do this. Okay. So when I clicked on this, I got these 4. One by one, I have completed this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. When I've completed this, I got 2 links. So I need to click on the second link. Okay. Copy URL, just click. And then when I clicked here, I got an option to upload achieve credential. Upload achievements and credentials. So you need to click here. And then it is asking me to put one URL. Okay. This was completely blank and now Control V. Simple. And now when I'll click on submit, see, can you see this completed tag? Okay. Just like this, you need to complete all these 5. 1, 2, 3, model data with Power BI also, and manage and secure Power BI also. Once you will do this and see, it is showing 48% I have completed. Means 52% is remaining, and 52% is all about these. So 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. And why it is showing like this? Because you can see, like here, you have completed how many units? 4 units, 3 units, 7, and again 4, 11. Means I have completed 11 units and it is approximately, it weights 48%. Okay. And again, you are having 7 units in the one and 5 units in the second one. Means total 12 units are there that will contain 52% of your course. And then once you will complete this, automatically you will be able to see one more tab here. Once you will complete all 5. Okay. And how that tab will look like. Now let me show it once again. Okay. In the, PPT only. See, so this is what we have done. See, this is how we have completed. See, this is okay. This is how we have completed. We have ignored the first one, copied the second one. Okay. Once you will complete all those, okay, all those one by one, okay, you will be able to see just below this Microsoft Power BI data analyst, just below this there is another tab. See, there is another tab, Power BI for business application assessment. Once you will complete this assessment, you will be able to see these click on this assessment, you will be able to see few questions, and then you need to complete into submitted. And once you will submitted, okay, this thank you will come. But one twist. This will ask to upload your project as well. Okay, this will ask to upload your project as well. Then you need to submit. Okay. Okay. Now this is what exactly you need to go. Okay. This is what exactly you need to do. And now there's an option to raise the ticket. You can raise the ticket. You can create a ticket means you if you have some technical queries, if you are having some non-technical queries, you can just put. Okay. And if you want to upload some screenshot like sir, this is what I am facing, this is my issue, or any hands-on related issue, or so anything, technical, non-technical, up to you. You can put here and we'll resolve it as soon as possible. And then there is a program overview. Once you will click on program overview, everything is related, whatever is related to the program will come. And when you will click on this
Aman sir, can you please repeat the process of pasting the link? Students are not yet clear with it.
Okay. So just a second. I'm resharing.
Students who have been filling these Microsoft form been shared. I have been resolving their queries. You can just check your profile section again. I have resolved almost 20 queries as of now. I've got 70 responses as of now. So you can fill the form. We will try to resolve it by today or by max tomorrow. So you can fill the form. We will take all your queries there. Do mention what exactly you need here. Please be very clear with what exactly the issue is and what exactly, if it is related to your profile section, just mention what changed you need to make and what which section exactly it is. And in case if there is anything on the registration part, because I've been seeing a lot of students have used their incorrect email address while registration. So students, whatever email address you have used while registration, the specific email address only will be you will be able to use while your registration. In case if there is any changes in any numeric changes, you will not be able to log into your FICE LMS. So please be very specific with your email address. You can only use the same email address which you have used while registration. Yes, sir, you can continue.
Okay, sure, sir. So, sir, there are few people who are facing, who were facing some issue for filling the attendance for the previous session. So I think the link is closed now. Is it going to reopen?
Yes, sir, we will not be able to open the attendance as of now. I hope students who have filled the feedback form during your attendance, we will treat the feedback as your attendance, but we will not be opening any attendance links again. The students who have filled the feedback form, we can take mark attendance from there. So we got a very strict instruction from your university that no students will be allowed for any grace attendance or anything. The students who are actively present in the sessions will only be getting the certification and will only be getting the training completions certificates. So please be specific with these sessions. The links are there. If you'll not be able to mark your attendance at time, you'll get around 8 to 10 hours to mark your attendance, but post that the link will not work. So for make sure that attendance for today also will be shared at the end of the day by around 7. the link will be active for 6 to 8 hours. Make sure you mark the attendance within the time frame. Yes, sir. You can continue.
Okay. And do we have to answer module assessment for each MS Learn modules? Yes. For modules means not for every module. Like you might have noticed that like I hope the screen is shared now. This okay. So I hope you guys have noticed that before completing these 4 individual modules, after each module there was some sort of question. So those questions you need to answer. Secondly, once you will complete all these 5 learning paths, now automatically you will get one interface, one more tab, just like this, one more tab you will get. That also you need to complete. Complete means that will be a like a assignment, okay? Assessment, not assignment, assessment, okay? And that assessment also you need to submit, okay? Only 20 questions will be there, and then you will get your certificate. This is how it would be there, okay? So for the people, those who were unable to get how to get this completed tag, so I'm just repeating this for them. So just open anyone, okay? Just open anyone, okay? So let me just open Microsoft Azure, this course, okay? So let's suppose I have opened. Okay, see guys, everyone, see. So let's suppose I have clicked on this Microsoft Azure, okay, and I have chosen this first one, Azure Fundamentals AZ 900. So these 3 were there, 2 I have already completed. Let's try this third one. So once I'll click here, see there are 4 modules that will automatically get open. So right now I'm closing this one. Okay. Okay. So now let me just complete it one by one. So module 1. See, yeah, I need to start. Okay. So I need to just click on next. Means I'll just read it, try to learn it, and then I'll click on next. Then again, same thing. Click on next. Again, same thing. Click on next. Okay. So you need to complete it one by one. Okay. Then next, it will show some exercise questions, and then there'll be a module assessment. So this type of interface will come. Okay. And there also you need to answer a few questions and submit your answers. So see, all 3 are incorrect. So either what I can do, I can click on retake and I can do it one more time. Okay. So 2 are correct, 1 is wrong. So then it's 66%. Then complete module. So after completion of module, see one achievement I am having. So just like this, I need to complete second module as well. Okay. Just like this, I need to complete second module as well. Okay. Then just like this, I need to complete third module as well, and just like it, I need to complete fourth module as well. Okay. Okay. 4 modules I need to complete. Okay. Just like this. Okay. So for this also we can simply start. Next. 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 Okay. I'm showing you like this because so that you can get exactly what sort of steps you need to follow and how this flow will look like when you will start your learning process. Okay. So one by one you need to complete. Okay. Then you need to answer a few questions. Okay. Submit your answer. Then next. Okay. Then complete module. And see again one more achievement you got. And then again you need to do this with the module 3 as well. You need to start. Okay. Next. So one exercise is there. Then again you need to continue. Okay. Okay. Then done and complete module. So again see only one. Okay. Again now you are getting 2. So interesting. So why you are getting 2 here? Now it is something interesting. Now it is something interesting. Can you see I have already completed this 4th one? See, I'm clicking here and see one tab is getting open. See, I have already completed this 4th. So for the people, those who think that instead of completing these 3, let's start with the 4th and it will work. No guys, it won't work. You won't be getting these 2 links. You won't be getting these 2 links. See, I am clicking on this 4th module, this right here, and see, it is showing me this, and it is showing me that it is all automatic already completed. Okay, so even after completing this, you won't be getting any link. You won't be getting any link. Okay, and this is what you need to remember. Please don't click directly on module 4. Go one by one. Then only you will be getting the link. Otherwise, see guys, what happened just right now. I have completed module 4 first, then I have completed module 1, then I have completed module 2, and then I have completed module 3. And when I have completed module 3, then it gave me 2 achievements. Because now it is considering it as a proper completion. Now it is considering this as a proper completion. So how I'll move? How I'll proceed further now? For the people, those who have done this mistake as well, that because of some smartness, they because when I started this particular using this LMS, I also did the same thing. Okay, let's check whether directly completing the 4th module or last module, whether I am getting these 2 credentials or not, these 2 links or not. So exactly, I was not getting 2 links. For this, I need to complete these all 4 modules. Then only I'll get these. So now what I'll do, I'll just use this 3rd. You can see 2 achievements. Again, go to this copy URL. See, there are 2 URLs, right? Ignore the first one. Ignore the first one. Ignore first achievement. Ignore it. Go with the second one. And click here. Just click. Just a click. No need to, copy or something. You need to just click. Just click. Once you will click here, okay, you need to go here, click on upload achievements and credentials, and then you need to just click here and copy. See, right now it is not completed. See, it is not having completed tag. But once you will click here and paste it, then what you need to paste? These 2 achievements, right? There are 2 achievements. Go to the second one, ignore the first one, click here, automatically your URL will be copied. Click here and then Control plus V, paste, and then submit. See guys, this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like. See, completed tag. And see, it is showing 100%. Okay, and just like this, you need to complete. This was for Microsoft Azure. So we have completed Azure fundamentals. Just like this, you need to complete Azure AI fundamentals as well. And then you need to complete Microsoft Security fundamentals as well. One by one. Then after completing these 3, one more tab you will be able to see. Okay, for assessment, you need to complete that assessment as well. And then when you will complete that assessment, automatically you will get the certificate. You have to upload the project as well. Okay, then you will get the certificate. Okay, and I have already explained you how to raise the ticket. You can click here. There are you can click on create ticket. You can raise the ticket. What type of problem it is? Technical, non-technical. Okay, then the title is data analyst, and description like what is EDA. Okay, then I can, if I want to upload some screenshot, I can put that, or I can directly click on submit. automatically it will get submitted. Then you can go to program overview, where you can get something about the program, like how it is related to you and how it will be impactful. Then you can go to FAQs. You frequently asked questions. People generally ask so many questions, so some of them I've already answered here, so you can just visit this. Then we have one more thing that is related to AI Skill Navigator. You can click here. Then you'll be able to see this kind of interface. You can just click on any page. Okay. See. Then you can, this kind of interface will get open. You can again sign in with Microsoft. Sign in with Microsoft, and then see these 3 courses are there. So you can simply complete. So just imagine I have clicked on this first, the third one, and I can directly go to and start video. Okay, and see this. This is the basically a YouTube video that you can see, and see boosting productivity with GitHub Copilot. Okay, so how Copilot is integrated. Okay, so just a small videos, like you can see. Okay, you can just explore them as well. Okay, one by one. Okay, so this is all about the interface. After completing each course, you will be getting one certificate. For one certificate means one certificate for Power BI, one certificate for Microsoft Azure, one certificate for Cloud Administration Engineering, one certificate for AI ML, and one certificate for Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so this is how you guys will be working. Okay. Okay. So now, any doubts related to this? Okay. Hello, sir. I received a mail from my college. What sort of mail? Okay. If you are asking related to the external guide or something, then your internal person who is responsible for this, you need to check these details with them. Okay. Okay. What kind of projects you need to do at last? Okay. Now see. Okay. Now, so the project related information is, like, you can work on any project. Okay, whatever things are being taught here. Okay, and you can create any sort of project related to this. Any sort of project. Okay, so we have done some data analytics part. Till now, see, there were only 2 classes. Only 2 sessions were there, right? So for those 2 sessions, in those 2 sessions, those sessions were not that much technical. Okay, this is completely solo project, guys. Arbaz. Okay, so what you need to do is, you need to first check on which topic you can create a project, and you can create any project. Okay. Okay, so that is right now there were only 2 sessions. Okay, and okay, so you will be having so many sessions on different topics, so you can simply go through that. One by one we'll be having sessions, and each time you will be getting some different skills, some different topics, right? For example, your next session will be of EDA, most probably. Like we need to check since as there are some changes in the schedule as well, so we'll check on that, but most probably it will be EDA. Okay, exploratory data analysis. So on that we need to check. Okay, okay, you need to check, like what project you can build, okay, on EDA or something. Okay, we can choose from the 5 modules. We can build a full stack application from development and automation domain. Yes, you can do. Guys, that project should be from these 5 domains only. Like it should be from the AI, ML or data analysis only. It should not be from the full stack development. Okay, because that is not the part of the internship right now. Okay. So this is what you need to do. Okay. We are only having we are only having AI ML related thing. Okay, data analysis. Okay, so you need to work on that. Chalo. What about the feedback form? Yes, feedback form will be shared in the last few minutes. Okay, so now you can just give me your doubts. What sort of doubts you have? Acha, internship domain. Internship domains means okay. So okay. So any more doubts, everyone? And who will be guiding us or whole project you need to do by yourself. If you have any sort of doubt, yes, there is a option to raise a ticket or you can use the Telegram. Okay, as of now I think it is for the notifications, but you can put your queries in the sessions as well. Okay, we'll take your queries. Okay, if you need any sort of guidance or something, you can just ask those queries in the session or you can raise a ticket. Okay.
Okay, I think, sir, we can go ahead with the hands-on part for the last two sessions we had. Meanwhile, we request all the students to please fill the Microsoft form which was shared by Drishti madam. So I've been resolving your queries from backend. I have already done that for 30 odd students. Would request everyone to fill the form itself. If not, we will do it. We'll resolve all your queries. We have got almost 100 plus queries over there. So would request you to fill the form itself. We'll respond. We'll close all your queries in the form which you have mentioned. Project GTO internship and project of assignment codes can be same. The internship projects will be full-time only, students. We have got your queries for your project keywords, your abstract, which you needs to fill at PMMS portal. We will let you know in the Telegram group. Project details are yet not visible, students. We will be doing that in the 4th and 5th week sessions. So the internships has just started. We'll be adding that in the upcoming week. For any further queries, students, related to your logbook, anything, you do have your internal guides in your college. You can consult with them. You can just talk to them. Any internal queries can be resolved by your internal guide as well. The external guide details was shared in the Telegram group, students. Sonu, the external guide details, email ID, we have shared it in the Telegram group. Organization name, organization category, the phone number, address, everything was shared in the Telegram group. About stamp and sign, as I said, please check with your internal guide. We have 5 learning core tracks. Sonal, you might have seen the 5 learning core tracks that was shared in the Telegram group as well. Full stack is not part of that. Okay, so project related queries can be taken in the upcoming sessions as well, students. We can start with the technical part, Aman, the hands-on part, and then probably we can share the attendance and the feedback form in the end.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Meanwhile, would request everyone to fill the Microsoft form. We'll be addressing all your queries over there. Thank you. Students would request you not to please ask the same questions again. The offer letters, we are not providing it. Please don't ask the same questions again and again. Yes, sir. Over to you. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. So guys, any sort of challenges you are having in the last session related to hands-on? Now we can take some technical queries as well. Yes, you won't be getting certificate if you will not attend. Yes. Okay. If you will not attend any of the session, you won't be getting certificate. Okay. So attendance is important, and okay. So please try that you attend all these sessions. Okay. Sure. So just a second. Let me open the same file. Where was that? It was. Meanwhile, if you have any sort of technical queries, please do ask, guys. Can you share the file you working on Google Colab? Yes, that is not an issue. Even guys, even the file is not even required. Like there was not that much stuff. Just a second. Sure. Okay. Let me open it one more time. Yeah. This somewhere it is getting stuck. So you need to create project or any one domain. Okay. though we'll have a separate discussion on projects, okay? But yes, you have to create a project on one domain. Sir, I had a doubt on adding and manipulating rows in data frame. Yes, please do ask Aditya. Any live demo project for guidance? Yes, the project. See, right now what we have done is we have just understood the some part of data analysis, but in the upcoming sessions we will be getting more about the depth of machine learning and deep learning, and more about the data analysis part as well. So in that you will be getting so many things. Okay. Yes, there we go. So let me upload the file one more time, and let's see what sort of queries you are having. Sure. So I hope you guys can see the Google Colab, right? Let's just upload few some data sets. I think Iris would work. Okay. So it is done. So all these queries we have already run in the last session. See. Okay. Let's see. Let's run all. Class label. Okay. So now guys, please, if you have any sort of queries in this, let's see. We get the certificate. We get the certificate on completed Power BI for Business Application Assessment, where I see the certificate, how to get the certificate. Once you will complete, okay, Kevin, what interface you are getting after completing the assessment? Which interface you are getting after completing the assessment? Okay. Can you provide a data set? The Iris data set is open source data set. You can simply, get it on Google also. Okay. Or I will put this data set on Telegram. Okay. So you can get the data set from there as well. Okay. Sir, Iris data set available on Seaborn and also available online. Yes, it is available. Should we start project topic provided by you? You can select your own. You can select on your own, but right now we have not explained you much things. Okay. Okay. So please share this notebook later for revision. Yes, I'll share this notebook as well. Available on Google 2 years. This data set is available on so many platforms. You can get it on anywhere. Even why only this data set? You can just work on different data sets as well. But yes, if you want to use it for the reference, you can do that. Okay. So see, this is how it is, working. So for this, I need to upload one more data. So this is what we have done in the previous session. Okay, these things were there. Okay, we have not done some practice on this sales data underscore sample. Okay, so let's ignore this part. Okay, so this was basically coming from different data sets. Okay, so this was the thing. These were the things that we have done in the last session. Okay, we have done some data cleaning. We have done some of the things like description and all. Yeah, description is there. Yeah, it is there. Okay, so we have done some description part, and if you will just copy this, and if you will just paste it, and if you will simply write include equals to object. Guys, what will happen if I write this? What will happen if I write this? Some project are related to our field. Related to your field, like by the end of these all the sessions, you will be able to create a project on machine learning as well. So right now, if I'll suggest some machine learning project, you won't get those projects. Okay, few of you might know some points about machine learning, but most probably most of you might not be able to get what I'll tell you. So right now, let's stick with the data analysis part. Okay, that we have discussed. Yes. Yes, thank you, Tirth Patel. I hope you have got the point. So, this will show the class label with a statistical column. Class label. Why class label? What is this object? What is this object, guys? Why I have written the object? Is there any column name object? Is there any column name object? Then why it is written object? What is object here, guys? What is object here? Everyone, what is object here? Object is a data type, yeah. Can you see this? Object is a data type. See, load 64, integer 64. Object is a data type, D type. Okay. So, object. See, if I'll close this, see, it will give me count, unique, top, frequency, means statistical analysis of object. And instead of this, if I'll just put this. Oh, I'm so sorry. This and this. Yeah. So it will give me the analysis of all the things, whatever is there inside the data. Okay. So this is what we have done. Okay. Yes. What's next? Okay. can you tell me like what sort of things we have done before this? Okay, can you tell me what we are doing here? Like if I run, okay, can you tell me if I'll just run this part, what I'll get? Iris underscore df class label dot unique. Yes, by default, describe includes only numeric columns. We'll get different values from class label, different values. Okay, so this will give me basically what are the unique values there. Okay, what are the unique values there? Okay, so this will give me this. Chalo. Okay, so what else we can do? What else we can do? Guys, can you tell me please like what exactly you can see on the screen? Like have I shared the correct screen? Right now, right? Yeah, I hope that you guys are answering. So yeah. Because again and again, I think some challenges on my laptop or something. Chalo. So okay. So these are nothing but the column values, and these are the tail. Okay. Can you tell me like what if I need to create the data? So do you remember I created the data like this way for everyone? For so many people were there, right? So, and this is how we have created this kind of data. And then we have calculated and we have dropped the duplicates as well. We have dropped the duplicates as well. Okay. So before this, we were having 7 rows. See, we were having 7 rows, and right now we are having only 6 rows. Because we have already dropped the duplicates. So now what will happen? Okay, guys, chalo. Now tell me dot drop NA. Chalo. So what will happen, guys, now? Oh, sorry, this is sales underscore df. Sorry. What will happen? All null values. So will it remove this whole row, or will it only remove this NN? Whole null row, only values, whole row, only values, whole row, remove 4th row. Okay. Acha. So, guys, is there any way to, fill these null values? Is there any way to fill these null values? Any way to fill these, these all, whatever you can see under all these different columns? Yes. Fill NA. Yes. So instead of doing this, fill NA, right? Okay. You can use fill NA. Okay. Or if you want to use drop, you can simply use drop NA. Simply. So if I'll run this, you can see. You can see. Just a second. Before this, it was There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now also there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, can you tell me why it is happening? Guys, can you tell me why it is happening? See, I have dropped NA. See, NA is not there. Previously it was NA. Right now it's 0, 0, 0, 24. Why? Can you tell me? Why it is like that? Garbage value. No, guys, this is what you need to remember. 0 is never called a null value. Even if you will put, just imagine you are putting here 27. Just imagine you are putting 27. Not putting 27. Instead of this, you are putting simple space. Okay. Even if you are doing this. Okay. So now let's run this. Is underscore data. Now see. Just for this fifth one, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See. So for Rakesh, Suresh, right? For Suresh, for Suresh, see, it is completely blank. Nothing is there. But nothing is there doesn't mean it is NaN. Okay? So even if you are putting 0, it doesn't mean that it is NaN. Okay? Everyone? If you even if you are putting this, it doesn't mean it is NaN. See, it is showing 0. So please don't consider 0 as a null value. Okay? Okay? So this is what you can do. Okay. Any questions till now? Sir, how NaN different from blank space? Yeah, NaN different from blank space means when you, okay. Whenever you type anything, just imagine you are typing, my name is, who is asking this? Meet. Okay. My name is Meet. So what do you think? This my has some value. This y has some value. But what about this space? See, can you see one dot? See, even if I'll just simply put space, even if I'll simply just put space, see, and I'll simply scan this. See, can you see the dots? Means the space is occupied. Okay, and this is the difference between NaN and blank. It is blank. It is blank for us. It is nothing we can see here. But for machine, it's not blank. Okay. So this is what it is. Chalo. So now, what else you can do? What else analysis you can do, guys? Guys, what if I ask that can you give me the total number of counts of rows that is there in the data set? Iris underscore df. Iris underscore df. So 150. But how we can calculate that? So iris.df dot shape. Sorry. Yes. Right. So 150 rows, 6 columns. Right. So this is all. This was also the one of the step that we have practiced before this. And what else we can do? What if I want to check like how many duplicates are there? So how will I check? I want to check calculate the number of duplicates. How will you do that? Oh yeah, it is coming, right? Yeah. See. So it is coming. There are 0 duplicates. Okay. Sure. So what else we can do? Guys, now can you tell me if I want to, okay, so where's the data? Data describe info Aristotle. Chalo. This is this. So what if I need to, let's get head. Okay. So what if I need to get the number of times Iris setosa has appeared and number of times Iris virginica has appeared and number of times Iris versicolor has appeared? How to do this? How to do this? I hope you got the question. Give me the code. I'll just use that code. Give me the code. Give me the code, everyone. I hope you got the point. I need to calculate. See, let me type it here. I need to calculate the number of rows with each class label. Okay. I need to calculate number of rows for each class label. Yes. Now I got the answer from Nirmal. So iris.df the value counts. Oh. Is this the answer? See, count is there. 1 1 1 1 1 till 150. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Guys, why it is showing this? If this is the code. Now I got the correct code from so many people. Me, Dhruv. So let's copy this and let's check what is the difference. So okay. So this I got this from I don't know from where I got this. Nirmal, I think. I got this from Nirmal. Okay. And I got this from whom? Yeah, Meet Parmar. Meet and Dhruv. Okay, let's run this. Oh. What happened? Error class values. Oh, again issue. Chalo. What else? Nirmal. Okay, Nirmal has given different answer. I'm so sorry. Nirmal has given this answer. Okay. Oh, but this was wrong. Meet Dhruv. Meet has given. And now what is the external? Okay. No Darshan. Okay, so Darshan has given this. Let's try this also. Oops. Wrong. Okay. Guys, I explained you all these things in the previous session. So this was from Darshan. Who else? Who else, guys? Any idea? Yes, from Chirag, I can see something good. Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so now 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Guys, what is wrong? What is wrong? Rohan also, I think he has written the same. He has written the same. See? This was also wrong. So let's check. Let's check with this. I know. Some people are giving answer. It's good. Okay. This is coming from Rohan. Chalo. So let's see how it answers. Uh-oh. Again. What is the issue? Okay, tell me the issue now. Name of attributes should be same. What is wrong? Everyone, what is wrong? Chalo. Let me tell you, this code is almost correct. This code is almost correct. Acha, arrow. Sorry. Chalo, even if we'll remove this arrow, then also it will show this. See, understand the error. Which error is coming? Key error is coming. Always remember, key error means you have written something that is wrong. Means it is saying like you have not written class label correctly. But yeah, spelling is correct, class label. But whether it is same as this. See, class label. See, whether it is same as this. See, difference, right? Capital, small. So now, if I'll write this, then it will work, right? And this is coming from not Rohan, it's coming from Oman. Okay, chalo. So this is class label and this is the number of rows. Yes. Okay, I hope you got the point now. Okay, so now what if I want to drop an entire column? What if I need to drop this ID? Don't you think this ID is irrelevant? So can I drop this ID? Let's check. So to drop this, df iris underscore df dot drop. Done. Simple, right? df dot drop. Whether it will work? Will it work? Will it work, guys? No? Yes. So what I need to change? Dot, drop, columns equals to this. Is it correct now? Columns equals to now, okay? No? Should I remove this? Something like this? X is equals to 1 is missing. Acha. What if I don't write? What if I write like this? Oops. Some issue is there. What is the issue? Yes. Type of. Oh, so sorry. Type of. Now will it work? Now will it work? Oh, let me change this. Yeah. Now will it work? Check it properly. Will it work now? See, I have not written the axis. 3, 2, 1. It worked. See? So now, see, it worked. So now, whenever I will open this, see, I am not getting any ID. See, the ID is removed, right? See, I have removed the ID. See, ID is not there. I can't see the ID. Can you see the ID? What was wrong? What went wrong? What is wrong in this now? See, with you only I have removed this column, right? I have removed this column. I got an answer. We didn't delete it from main. This is not GitHub. Tabriz, this is not GitHub. The Deveen is correct. Chirag is correct. What else? Why it is not showing that we have implemented something? Yes, Aditya, good one. Yes, Ayush, good one. Yes. So for this, if you do remember, we have written in place equals to true and done. And now if you will run this, done. Yes, this is how it works. Okay. Chalo, badhiya. Chalo. So now let's create some plots as well. Let's create some plot as well. Okay. Let's create some plot. So now let's first create a count plot. Okay. So to create a count plot, oh, where it is? Yeah, there it is. To create a count plot, okay, what we need to do? We need to import Seaborn as SNS. Please share once again implausible true value ID1. Yeah, sure, Zeel. So what exactly happened is, so when I tried to drop this ID, see, this ID is there. See, this ID is there. So don't you think this ID is irrelevant? I don't want this ID. I'm already having this indices here. I don't want this ID. So what if I try to remove this ID here? What if I try to do this? So before this, it wasn't removing. Why? Because I have not written in place equals to true. So whenever you need to make any change permanently, you need to write this in place equals to true. Okay. Yes, Myra, we'll do it. Okay. Chalo. So now, okay, let's try to count plot x equals to s equals to class label and df equals to what? What was the name? What was the name? What was the name? Iris underscore df. Will it work, everyone? Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? No. Everyone. Yes or no? Yes. Deven is correct. See? See? It is saying that it could not interpret the class label. Okay? Could not interpret the value class label for x. Value is string, but data is not passed. The data is not passed. Means this is our data. But this is df. df is nothing, guys. Now it will work. Yes. Can you see now? So count plot is nothing. So the count plot is nothing but df so whatever you do with the iris underscore df, right? Iris underscore, yes. So whatever you count here, automatically it works. So even see, so if you want to plot it right away, you can simply put dot plot as well. You can simply put dot plot. So for that also you will be able to see one line plot. See, one line plot is there. Can you see this? One line plot is there. So to put a line plot, no need to type anything. Just whenever you try to put some value counts, you get some value counts, just put dot plot. That's it. You will get a line plot. Okay. So if you want to, but you can see, like, for categorical values, line plot doesn't work. For categorical values, we always want count plot or his plot or something. Okay. So what if, can I put any other data instead of this? So so that I can have a good count plot. So let's take line plot on this one. Let's take line plot on this one. Okay. Sepal length centimeter. Okay. Let's take line plot for sepal length centimeter. Okay. So instead of this, if I'll write this sepal length centimeter and if I'll just try to get some value counts for iris underscore df dot value counts. Oops. See, this type of value I'm getting, right? This type of value I'm getting, right? What? Oh. Okay. So now you can see in ascending order I have, mentioned it. So now if I'll just click type dot plot done. Can you see this line plot? Can you see this line plot? If I'll just not write this sort index, see the difference. If I'll not write just this sort index, if I'll not write this sort index, then what will happen? See. Can you get the things now? Right? Can you get the things now? Okay. So chalo. Okay. So now this is how we can plot some line plots. Okay. So this is the difference between the sort index and unsorted index. That's it. Okay. Chalo. So what else we can do? What else we can do? We can try some different as well. We can try some scatter plot if you want. Scatter plot also we can try. Okay. We can try some heat map as well. Okay. How will you provide hands-on experience in AI/ML? Of course, like not me, but there'll be some other people. Okay. Like, let's see. Yes, you can generate a pie chart as well. Okay. You can generate a pie chart as well. Yes. So for that you can simply type the labels first. Okay. For that you can simply type the labels, like labels means what? Labels equals to iris underscore df df label dot unique. Oh, error. Class no underscore label. defined the labels. So what are labels? Labels are this. Okay, these are my labels. Okay, that will appear on my pie chart. So this is what I had did. This is what I have done. Okay, then I'll try to plot it. So to plot it, basically we will use matplotlib. So let me import that as well. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so I'll simply use plt.py. Okay, and this code will appear. So it was automatically appearing, so let it be. Okay, so when I'll show this, see, can you see a pie chart now? Right? Can you see a pie chart now? Yes. So yes, so these all steps you can do when you have a data. You can visualize the things, you can do a lot of things. Guys, I am just giving you an intro. Let me make it very clear. So I am not actually teaching you something, I'm just giving you the intro, like how these things can be done, how you can analyze the data in like you can do some visualization, like you can do some sort of statistical analysis and something. Okay, so these all things you can do in data analysis. Okay, okay, so this is how it works. Okay, even you can do some correlation analysis as well. You can do some correlation analysis as well. Correlation analysis means correlation analysis means like df.drop okay. So if you want to do some correlation analysis always works on numerical data. So for that you need to drop the categorical data. So you can simply columns equals to means class label, okay, and yeah, that's it, dot for. So again iris underscore, see, oh sorry, yeah, see, this is how it is, right? So this is the correlation analysis. But again you can see the correlation analysis means you can see for diagonal values it is 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, for diagonal values it is 1. Okay, but for other values you can see some correlation. So it has some negative correlation, it has some positive correlation, it has some positive correlation. So in sepal length centimeter and petal length centimeter you can see some 0.87 correlation. So with sepal length centimeter and petal width centimeter, so you can see some 0.817954 correlation. Okay, so now for this, it's a small data. So for now you can see okay, you can see some sort of simpler things. But what if you are having 10-15 columns? Then what will happen? So okay, how it is working and what is the application? Yeah, let me tell you one thing. So the application is, okay, in machine learning, yes, correlation means how one variable increases another one, right? Correlation means how one is dependent on another. Okay, how one is dependent on another. So how this sepal length centimeter is depend on sepal length centimeter. So you can see it is directly related. So if one is increasing, second is increasing. If one is decreasing, second is decreasing. So both has, okay. So both has direct relation because both are same columns, right? Sepal and centimeter. But then we can check sepal and centimeter with sepal with centimeter. So this is like this. But now people think, okay. Now the people think, oh sorry, SNS. Okay. Like let me just core underscore data. Let's do this. Okay, I have saved this. Okay, and core underscore data, and I have saved this. So I can simply put, I can simply put core underscore data underscore data, comma, and not equals to true. Just a second. Oh, so sorry. Capital small. Now what's happening? Oh, capital again, capital small. Yeah. Now, can you see it, everyone? Can you see it now? So, is it okay now to visualize the things? Now, the more darker it is, the negative impact it has. Means you can simply say petal with centimeter and sepal with centimeter has negative impact. Okay? Okay? Okay. So now people are asking what is anode. So anode means like if you want to see the values. So if I'll just put it false. So if I'll just put it false, so let me just okay, chalo, let's make it true only, and let me just so false. Then let's see what happens. See, can you see now? The number is not there. See, anode is true, anode is false. I hope you got the point. So this is the thing that you can do. Anode means annotations. Yes, Nirmal Patel. I hope you got the things. Right. So now, Dishti, I request that you please share the attendance link and the feedback form. Guys, please do fill the feedback form. Please do fill the attendance. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Till then, any doubts? Any doubts till then? Any doubts till so far? Okay. Guys, as the Adarsh sir said, we are not going to provide any sort of recordings from now onwards because people it is a clear instruction from your university only that the people, those who are interested, should attend the session. Okay. Sir, it is the overview of the day or it is a final lecture? No, it is just a overview. This was just just a quick overview how data analysis looks like. Python is not only about to get some statistical analysis, to get some numbers and all. Python is also about visualization. It can do a lot more what you can think. This was the main purpose. But in the next sessions, you will be having EDA as well. You will be having machine learning as well. Really good stuff. Really good stuff is waiting for you guys. Really good stuff is waiting for you. Lot more things. So for that used functions, can you provide PDF? Yeah, sure. Why not? Not an issue. Why the attendance links are not clickable, but the forms link are? Okay, is it? Let me check. Links are working, everyone. Links are clickable. Yeah, thank you, Drupal. As checked my attendance day 1 and day 2 day 2 attendance is not marked as present right now. Can you please help me out? Yeah, day 2 attendance is not marked, so it is closed, guys. It is not open yet. So what you can do is you can fill the feedback form and we will consider that as your attendance. Okay. Please fill the feedback form and we will consider that as your attendance. Okay. Right now you have to fill both. But in case of day 1 and day 2, if you have, by any chance, if you have failed to mark your attendance, then you can fill the feedback form and we will consider it as the attendance. Okay. So the increased load capacity is not reachable, or maybe server side load balancing issues. Okay, where it is? Is it? Just a second. Let me check. No. Let me share my screen. It is working, guys. Let me share my screen. See, it is working. Today's date, today's session time, trainer name, and the session name. See, it is working. So what is the best practice for this? The best practice is that you first keep the links handy. Not handy. Please keep the links somewhere, so that if it is not working for you right now, you can try it after 15 minutes or 20 minutes.